Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. One of the attractions of this farm are the Bantam chickens. And you will see them, they're very elegant. And this pair of Bantam have already produced chicks. And I'm so happy because they are not that difficult to produce. They're so easy to produce. And they can blend with other chickens, of course. There are things that we have to bear in mind about Bantam chickens. Of course, you cannot just lose them together with the big breeds because they are brave. They don't have any insecurities and they can fight with anyone without fear, without actually insecurities, is what I've said. We have to segregate them, although they cannot harm other animals here in the farm, but we have to segregate them because they will become the victim because of their size. You look at them, they are so small, and these are called the Serama Bantams. And these Serama Bantams, as you know, should be placed in an elevated cage. Why? Because if they're gonna be allowed to, roam around on the ground 24/7, they will not survive. They will really contaminate disease. They're just like birds, where you have to provide them with cages which are elevated. And this is what I have observed with Bantam chickens. Well, many other breeders also would like to just raise the Bantam on the ground, but they have to regularly deworm it, and they don't have any other pets aside from the Bantam chickens. So these are actually the things which are simple but very effective if you would really like to produce your Bantam chickens. Producing Bantam chickens are actually lucrative, and maybe you will ask why. The reason is that they will not consume much food. They will just consume 1/4 of the consumption of the bigger birds. And if you're gonna sell them, the price is actually 3 times higher than the regular birds. Example, for this pair alone, I bought this at 10,000 pesos. So if you will buy chickens from the market, that 10,000 pesos would be a lot of chickens already. So you will see the price difference, and this is what makes me happy and makes me more motivated to produce these Bantam chickens. Just like other chickens, Bantams are also delicate when it comes to viruses. And one good thing for you to practice if you have this Bantam chicken is the regular deworming. And aside from that, we have to give them variety of seeds. And these are actually the main reason why you can see them very active. And one indication that your Bantam chicken is so healthy is when the color of the face is red. You will see the red face. This is an indication that this Bantam is on his 100% condition. Because if this is pale and look tired, then this is actually a sick Bantam. But this temperament, the behavior that he displayed, especially towards the hen, is just an indication of a very perfect health. Just the same with other chickens, the big breeds. If they are eager to eat their food and they are very eager to consume it, and they are active, they are fighting with each other, and they're actually fighting over food, this is an indication also that they are well, they are good. But if that chicken would not eat and will stay in the corner and then they lose appetite to eat, then that's an indication that your chicken is not well. You have to catch that, and maybe that is sick and needs medication. We're slowly beginning to achieve what we desired. You know that this is integrated farming, and we will have some variety of animals and even plants. And you will see that we have so many vegetables now. And we also have one pair of peahen and peacock. You will see that Veronica is already paired with Victor, and this is the name that I chose, Veronica and Victor. And they are so well now, and Victor has adjusted to this place. And also you will see that we have so many fruits of our vegetables now. And then we are looking forward to have again another ostrich farm. I already have made a reservation about this ostrich, and we're gonna have at least 3 pairs or maybe 10 pieces or 10 heads of these ostriches that we can release here in the farm. And we are also looking forward to have peasants, and this is gonna be a place or haven for exotic animals, and that's gonna be the attractions of the farm. We will also have some snakes, we will also have some big goats and many more, and we will open this one to the public. Of course, you will see that we are already improving a lot the vicinity of this farm, and our ducks would dive in, you know, eating together with the catfish or maybe the tilapia or koi, I don't know. But the intention here is to immediately complete this farm so that we can start up with inviting people and let them observe actual. And our visitors would be able to learn from us the kind of feeding, the kind of housing, the frequency of the cleanliness, and many more, how to prevent viruses, including the fumigation and all. So these are the things that they will learn if they're gonna visit here at the farm. And now, this is exciting. Please be with me as we're gonna go to the house of my friend Ding Dong. And this man is known to be a prominent breeder of Bantam chickens, and this is his main business. So guys, we're now here at the house of my friend Ding Dong Apostol. Yeah. And he's been a known breeder of Bantam chickens here in our locality, in our city of Zamboanga. Imagine, since 1990. So, he is a well-known breeder because of what kind of breed that you're actually breeding here?
Serama and Japanese Bantam.
Yeah, Serama and Japanese Bantam.
They're fighting cocks.
Oh, he also have here fighting cocks. So, all these are for sale. Ah, nice. So, our intention of coming here is actually to buy 2 hen of this Bantam. And we will cross that to the roosters that we bought from Thailand as well. So, we have here a cute pair of this Japanese Bantam crossed with Serama. Pila ni siya ba?
5K.
So, this is 5,000 pesos. Imagine, you will sell this at 5,000. If you have 2 pairs, that's already 10,000. But the idea here is that the maintenance is not as high as, you know, taking care or raising regular chickens, because this will eat only a little amount of food. No? Gamay ra ni siya ba?
1/4 na compare sa mga daku.
Oo. 1/4 kilo.
No, 1/4.
1/4 ang size.
Compare sa hinaon sa daku.
Oo. So, how did you find this business? Okay, so far.
So far, okay naman ang kuan.
Oh, and then what is good here is that we are able to carry out our hobby. You know, if you're a hobbyist, you cannot explain the joy that you will feel deep in your heart, especially when you are able to produce and you are able to sell. At the same time, you're enjoying. So the most exciting thing is that Ding Dong is willing to share to us the secret,
Tips lang.
the tips actually, the tips on how to go about bantam chicken farming. And he told me that one of the tips is actually what?
Purga.
Purga lang.
Deworming.
Deworming, yes. And deworming should be done monthly or what?
Monthly po din.
Monthly or
Twice a month.
twice a month. Okay. So, what are those medicines that we can use? Pedro or what? Any
dewormer.
type of dewormer it can do, as long as you have to regularly deworm your bantam chicken. What will happen if we will not deworm our bantam?
No. Payat.
They will not get fat.
Lose weight.
Lose weight. Of course, it will affect the general health of our chickens. So you look at this. These are not ordinary chickens that you can see in the market. This is just less than 500 grams, maybe
230.
230 grams. Imagine that. And this is priced at more than 10,000. So you can see here, guys, we call this a trio. 2 female or 2 hens and 1 rooster. And you know how much this will cost? This will cost 10,000 pesos actually. And we will buy this one to infuse the different lines of breed to our bantam chicken, of course, to prevent inbreeding. And this is the reason why I decided to come here and buy this materials, so that we can, in preparation for our farm opening, we can present this to our visitors, and also we can give them the encouragement to breed their bantam chickens. So guys, we're here, and shout out to Ding Dong Apostol. That man is good. He's a good man. And now, we are privileged enough to have another breed of bantam chickens. And these are called the Japanese Serama Bantams. And you will see here that they are just very cute. I would like to let them, get acquainted with our place here. And I know that it's just been stressed, of course. And then we will have another beautiful lady over here. And I was told that they're already laying eggs. You see that? Wow. And the other one is here. Wow. You look at that. They are so adorable. They are so lovely chickens that no one would dislike this kind of chicken. Oh, they're fighting. Oh, wait. No, do not fight. And this is their characteristics. Of course, when they are get acquainted already, they will not fight anymore. Since this is their first time to meet each other, then you will expect the fighting. And we are looking forward to have hundreds of chickens here, the bantam chickens, in this farm, because these are actually a good business as well. And if we can have more bantams here, we can also sell some to our visitors that would be coming over. So this integrated farming, they can buy vegetables, they can buy our chickens, they can buy our goats in the future, and many more, like the tilapia and the sito, they can buy it. And the birds, they can buy everything here. One of the inspirations that I've got here is that because of this farm, I was able to maintain a balanced health, meaning that I don't have any more high sugar, high cholesterol, and the fatty liver is already reduced. I lose weight because of the activity here in the farm. And aside from that, we are gaining an income, and actually, this is just the beginning. And I hope that in the future, this could be a mega source of income. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you will continue to like and share our videos. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, I humbly ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we are uploading videos regularly and we are now close to 2 million subscribers. And maybe we can attain that in the year 2024. See you in my next video only here at Dexter's World.